If you want to become baddie boss applesauce like Taylor, then watch this video and follow step by step.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Vlogmas day 11, period. If you want to see how I got this pink snowflake look, then keep watching. I already primed my eyes off of camera. It's just concealer and waiting for it to dry. But my very first shade I go in with is a very light pink. Not the lightest pink I saw because that wouldn't show, but still a light pink. And then I'll go in the crease of my eye with a hot pink, and then I'll darken it up a bit. Put it into dabbing motions first and then like blend it out. I'm going in with some more hot pink just because it wasn't showing up how I needed it to. But remember to try your best to keep it in the crease maybe a little bit higher, because if you take that hot pink all the way up to your eyebrows, it's just gonna look a hot mess. So you just keep blending it out until you get the desired look. Because I wanted it to be a lot darker in the crease, I dipped the brush in a dark purple and a little tiny bit of black. Just a little bit. You don't want to overdo it with the black because that could be very tricky to try to clean up. But then you just blend it out as best you can. Make sure that line is gone, and then you know you blended it out all the way. Once everything is blended out the way that I like, I carve my eye out for my cut crease wherever I want my eyeshadow to go. And I used a white because I'm going in with a very, very light color. Now, if this was neutral glam and I were going in with like a tan or a brown, I would use a darker concealer. But I love me a white concealer when I'm doing a bright, fun look. So after that, I go in with another light pink, and I'm trying to get rid of that sharp line that you see. I don't cover it up too much just because I am about to put a little bit of glitter on it, but if I wasn't, then I would make sure the line is completely blended out. So this part was a little bit pointless. I didn't know that I had chunky glitter. I thought I had like some cute loose glitter somewhere, but I didn't. So I feel like this part kind of did look a mess, but I just kept it there anyways because it was cute and pink and it kind of went with the look, so whatever. Right now I'm going in with my foundation. I am going to list everything in the description box below because right now I'm having a brain fart and can't remember any products used, but I definitely got y'all. So me personally, I love a bright under eye. So I started off with white. I usually dry it first and then I'll blend it out by itself and then go in with my regular concealer. So the exact opposite as I'm doing now. But your girl had to go to work. I was running a little late. So I was like, in order to be on time, because my job is so precious, I have to rush a little bit. But it still worked out, you know, even though I did something a little bit different, it worked out. So right now I'm just setting my face with setting powder. I usually wipe it on my hand first and then put it on my face, but I didn't show that part on camera just so it's not too much product. Then after that, I go in with some white on my under eye. I didn't show that part because it's hard to show it on camera, but yeah, I put white on my bottom line and then added some pink. Y'all, right here, I could have sworn I was showing y'all how to do the freaking snowflake, but literally all y'all saw was my freaking edges. I was so upset. But then I remembered I recorded this on my DJI, period. So y'all about to see how I did the snowflake right now. So I started with some water activated liner and I mixed the pink and white together just so that could be a little bit lighter. And you're going to want to draw kind of an X but not a full one. So you see how it was diagonal right there, and then I'm doing another diagonal line. Then I stopped there. I ended up drawing a snowflake up and then another one out, and that is my base for my snowflake. And as you can see, your girl was pressed as shit, feeling herself. Period. Clock it. For the next step, you're gonna want to draw diagonal lines but have them touch each other. You see how I did it like that? You're gonna want to do that throughout all the lines just to make them connect. A few diagonal lines, but very small, so you're gonna need a teeny tiny paintbrush for this, or makeup brush, whatever the hell you use. Make sure it's very small. And then after that, I just draw like little lines outside. I don't make them connect, but it's just, I don't know, a little added detail to the snowflake. And the color is picking up on camera, but it was barely picking up in person. So I just went in with some more water activated liner, and I just used the pink this time instead of going in with white. And then after that, I go in with my rhinestones. I did not know where my freaking rhinestone picker was, y'all, so I had to use my daggone fingers, but you know, it worked. And this is how the look came out, period. I absolutely love it. I would give it a 9 out of 10 just because I don't like the chunky glitter, but I feel like the look came out pretty cute. I wanted to do a pink wonderland type of look, and that's exactly what it gave, period. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye.